Hello everyone. Sire here. Thank you so much for joining me for another day of Pajama Crafter Stamps 30-day coloring challenge, 5 minutes a day. Don't forget, this is a free coloring guide or coloring book that is free, and you can grab that in the description box below. And if you are not familiar, I did have my first video earlier in the week that explained this somewhat, but definitely check it out if you want some free resources. And there's also one that you can purchase, which is more tailored and you get the binder and everything. So I am going to continue with this fun little mermaid. I want to make a card. First video I did the hair, not happy with it, but it's like this messy water mermaid. She don't care. She's happy. Look how happy she is. She's everything that I'm doing. She is very happy with. I can tell. She never lost that smile, so that's good. And then yesterday, or the second day, sorry, I did the ombre here with the fins, which is a little messy, but you only get 5 minutes, so I don't have much time to finesse. Normally I would be nitpicky and just try to clean things up, add maybe some shadows to the scales and stuff like that, but 5 minutes. That's all 5 minutes, not 10. 5 minutes, that's all we have. And I can even see that I forgot to finish the coloring the hair up there. And I did finish this piece here off camera because I remember if you watched the previous video, I stopped at the arm, not realizing that that was a hand or arm. So today I am going to use my friend Jen Gross. That's a shout out to Jen Gross. If you don't know Jen Gross, she is Journey Coach Jen, and she is fantastic. I love her and I love everything that she does. And she sent me some skin tones with her Olo markers she was playing with. And so I want to show her my appreciation of that. And I'm going to color using the darker skin tones here and give that a try. I don't know if I'll get to the body because I might get a little finicky on the face, just making sure it looks good. But let's see what I can accomplish in 5 minutes. So it is 9:15 plus seconds. It'll probably turn on me. So let's say until 9:20 plus seconds. And let's see where we go from here. So I'm going to start with the darker shades first. And I think I'm going to go one extra darker than this one just to get a little bit of settings. I love dark. I like it making really emphasis on the definition. So we're going to start, we can't read that. I'm going to, no, can't read that. I'm going to start with OR48. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to follow the lines here, trying to make sure I get anywhere where there's hair that's kind of hanging over. I want to add a little bit more darkness there because I want to create that shadow. And not going to worry too much. Am I in camera? I'm still in camera. Okay. Not going to worry too much about it being perfect. I'm going to add a little bit of darkness in here and then a little bit here along. I'm going to follow the lines. And then just on the sides, this is not going to follow any light source at all, which makes it harder to make it look realistic, but that's okay. It's just a fun image. I'm not going to add anything around here with my darkest because I don't want to make it too noticeable. Sometimes I start with the lighter color and then I add the darker to it. So next I'm going to use the 4-7. So this is what Jen Gross has used for her dark shade. I'm not saying this is how she colors. Far from it. I'm just using the colors that she has provided me. And these are just some skin tones that she was playing with. I'm not even sure if she still uses these, but I just wanted to play around with it, and I really appreciate her, and so I thought I'd add it to my video. Yeah, and just adding a little bit of shade. I'm trying to extend the brown just slightly. Maybe I'll add a little bit just here, just a little bit for now. I find the center of the face the hardest, especially if it's very open like this. The next color we're going to use is OR37, and I'm going to assume this is going to be the one that we use the most of. Okay. I'll blend these all in as I go along. I think I've already gone a little too far out. But here we go. I kind of want to add a little bit here too, because our eyes are kind of sunken in, and so I kind of want to get those going. And then that's going to be my nose bridge. And then the next color is Y27. So that's Y027. So that's kind of interesting. That really makes it. So I think I'm going to have to expand because I don't want this. Oh, I do have this problem with my Olos, unfortunately. I think it's because I took them on a plane or something and they've caused that problem. So I constantly have to have that napkin with me. Yeah. that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Okay. Well, let's go back to my 3-7. I'm just going to start pushing this out. I don't want there being so much of that Y027. I just find it a little too yellow. And yeah, I don't know. Oh my goodness. I think I kind of gave up on this one. Okay, let's do this again. Let's get I will use my darker color. But you never give up. We just keep moving forward, right? Oh, it's already 9:20. Okay, so I'm just going to... Man, this just goes by so fast. It really does. So fast. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of bring these eyes back out again so we can see them. Don't want to lose her pretty little eyes. Put a little, happy smile back in her face. I'm just using a glaze pen here. Trying to do as smooth as possible. Wait, this is not a glaze pen. This is just my regular pen. Oops. Okay, then we'll use our glaze pen. Let's use my little glaze pen here and just bring her eyes back in. Don't want her to lose her pretty eyes. We'll do a little... This is a little bit thicker than a jelly roll. Get a happy smile back again. There you go. This is turning into one. This is turning into one interesting image with all the technicalities and issues. I should have started with something much simpler. Oh, she's pretty. I wonder if that was supposed to be hair too, because it's kind of making it look like it's very... I think that's supposed to be hair. We will get this through. We will make a really nice card with this. And I'm having fun, right? That's all I ask. So that was more than 5 minutes, but I have cut it down to where the 5 minutes stopped. And then I just fixed things up because I did have the problem where my ink was exploding. I need to replace the nibs, I'm pretty sure. And it's just such a big face. I'm used to the smaller images where it blends a lot easier. So what I was trying to do was trying to figure out how to create the cheeks and the hollow in the eyes and that. So that was challenging, but I did get a little bit of dimension in there. It's, ooh, look how happy she is. She is so happy. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's stop here. I will finish it off tomorrow, and I will fix up all these little pieces too, and we will see where it takes us. And hopefully I will create a card with this. No, I have to, because we can't go through all this and not color it, or not create a card. But I won't make a video on creating the card. I'll just show it when I go to my next image that I'm going to color. Hopefully something a little easier. So until the next time, have a wonderful day. I do hope you're enjoying this, and I will talk to you all later. Take care. Bye.